So now we're here. All right. So we finished to create the branches. Anybody has a problem in a branch? One more part which you can do here for the branch is just, let's say you want to delete a branch, right? How to delete a branch? Git branch. Now, how to delete a branch? Okay, git branch -d. I say check out. Research it. Check out. Okay. Git branch. It's gone. But if -d means -d means -delete. Okay. Now -d followed by the branch name. Let me write the syntax for you. Just here is the syntax. So I'm going to write a syntax. Syntax to delete a branch. The syntax is as follows. It's a git branch -d and then name of branch. Okay. Okay. This is the way you can do it. So I'll repeat once again. Git branch. And then I say git branch -d new branch. Git branch. I really don't need to. So this is the way you can create, even you can delete the branches. Okay? You can create and delete the branches. Before I forget, next week on Monday, we have a quiz. Please prepare for it. Next week. So which topic?
So about the person.
Pardon me?
About the person.
About?
The person.
Oh yeah, that's what about the personal, stigma, and before the stigma. There's one way, one evaluation method which I ask you, user evaluation. Right? So the user evaluation, to questionnaire, interview, that was I found up to the time. That one, plus what else? There's one more part which I showed theory part. I will highlight the chapter which you need to prepare.
What about the stigma? Is it going to be good?
Since the time is short, the lab will be after the meeting. I mean after the break, after the meeting. Or we can do the lab the next following day, which is Wednesday. Stigma lab Wednesday.
So Monday only
Theory lab for stigma after beta GitHub. Okay, I mean after the I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. After the some plan we have this one, GitHub. All right, now there we go. This is the way you can create. Okay. So the next part which you want to do, we did the Git, we did everything we want. The next important part, please, the next important. I want each one of you to check your configuration. Check your configuration. Do you remember when we started the class, we configured our Git? Do you remember? You configure the email, you configure the name. And he asked me one question. Do we need to have same email? Means the name you configure in a Git and the email of the Git and the email for GitHub. I'll repeat once again. We have two things. Git and GitHub. What's the difference? What is the difference?
Git is inside.
Git is local. GitHub is remote. Okay? Now, let's first go to the Git remote. Okay? You go to your browser, come to your browser, and you type GitHub. You come to the login. For you, you don't have it. You create a new account. So to give you this interesting part, I love the way it's just typed. So welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. All right. So the adventurers are here. Now enter your email. For example, my email. This is the email which I'm using. You type your, sorry. You type your email. All right. Mine is already used. For you, it's not used. For example, I put the following email. Let's say. Let me put this one. Okay, I put my email and then I click next. I put the password. You have to enter the strong password, okay? Okay, I enter strong password. I click next. Enter the username. Let me put here. Let me put here. Let me put this one. I think a username not available. Let's say. Okay, let me put this one. Okay. Email. Occasionally, product updates and announcements. So I say okay. Verify your account. It takes me to verify my account. Please solve the puzzle. And then you, I think the same direction, right?
One, yeah. One more, yes.
Okay. Done. So once it's done, then it asks me to enter the code. I have to check my email. Okay, I check my email. This is my code. I will share with you my code, guys. 1 7 2 2 1 2 2 2 4. All right. So this is the thing which they ask me. How many team members will be working with you? You are more than 5, right? I put this one. 2050. And are you a student or teacher? I am all. And then I say this. Then it asks me here, collaborative coding. Then it just tick off. Nothing I lose. Just select all of them. Maybe I may need them in the future. Okay. This one is free. Look, this is free, unlimited public key, private repositories, 200 CID, unit 500 of package storage. This is what I need, right? I don't need big. So I go for continue for free. Right? We are here now. We are at the dashboard. This is your first Git. You grab with yourself if you are there, that you have your first Git account. Okay? You have your first Git account. How many of you are there? Okay, good. Good. So now follow here. Please follow for a while. You will take a time to see again. Please follow for a while. Listen, follow for some time. You will take a time to review this video once again. So here we have the following. we have this is a dashboard. Just follow for a while. We have the dashboard. You have the hamburger menu, where you can see the home, the food, the project you created. So far, there's no project. Everything is new. It's a fresh. Okay, so I come here, and then I will create a new project here. I click here, click new, create a new project. So, oops. Okay, so for the project here, what is it? 1 minute, just come here, home, I come back home, I create repository here. Here it's owner, this is my username which I created, and this is repository. I'm going to create a repository, it's going to be HCI hyphen project. Okay, you can give description, leave it. You can make it the visibility public or private. You make it public, and then no need to add any file. You just click here. Okay, now you created the first repository in your GitHub HCI project. Right? You may do the second. You may come back here or click here on this cat icon, logo. You create another repository. You give the name. You say project 1. Public. Create. You want project 1, it's a public. Okay? For you can keep a few members based on your group. I mean, based on your team. Remember, you have the teams. Maybe you may keep 0 to 20 to 5, any. So here you check your project. All right, you check your project view. What a project do you have here? Why is it showing an entitled project? Okay. I come back here. Projects. It's not showing the project names. Okay. I come back here. The projects are here. The repositories are here. Sorry, the repositories are here. We have 2 repositories, project 1 and HCI project. Project. Okay. This is your project which you are creating in a Git. So let's say you open this one. All right, you open the following, and in opening the following, let's say you want to add some code here. Okay, cancel it. Let's say you are here in this part, and let's say you want to create a file. You create a file. You say this is my file for first project in a GitHub. Okay, you give the file name here. You say new file. All right, you give it the name as a new file. Commit a change here. Commit a change. Let's say new file.txt. You give the extension. Commit a change. All right. So now in your project you committed, you have project name, or you have the project. You have the repository. Inside the repository you have a file. This is your file. Okay, this is your file. And this file, if you want, you can even download it. Let me click here. You can download it here. Okay, so look here. You see, it's in the form of PDF file. I mean, text file, not Part file. You can download it. So you can host your stuff on GitHub. Create file there. Again, I do once again. I come to HCI project. All right, HCI project, and then add a file, create a new file. And then I write here, this is my .x file or document file. Okay, this is my document file. And then you give the name file.x. Okay, you commit, and then if you want, you come here and you download it just to check here. You see, it's open in a Word format. It's just opening in a Word format here. Yes, it came here to open here. Or you can try and open them. So you can give different extension, and then to open based on a different extension. Just to show you, you can create different files. All right. Okay. So this is the branch. Okay, this is the branch. The main branch, you remember? I told you that in a GitHub, the main branch, the default branch name is main. What is the name of default branch in Heroku? Master. Excellent. So here the name is main. The default is main. Okay, default is main. All right. Since you are seeing a branch, I think I will not the video which I posted that you can run by yourself. Okay. Now what I want to finish with, I just want to show you how to merge the branches. Okay. Yeah, I think that will be okay for today. I just want to show you something here. Let me just pull this one. Okay, let me pull this one. I don't have writing pad. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so I explained about the what did I say? I explained about the branches, right? I just want to show you the following. Let's say this is consider this to be the master branch. I give us a master branch. All right? Or I want to mention the master branch. Let's say we have the master branch here. This is a master branch. So master branch, this is a master branch. Let's say this is a master branch. All right? Master branch. The file which we created the file which we created, these are the features. Okay, these are the features. Let's say this is features. Features means new branches. These are the new branches. Okay, these two. Okay, so let's say just this one. You name this as a new branches. New branches. Okay, let's say this is empty here, and then we want to connect them. We want to connect from here, from this source here. Just want to come from here. I want to connect from here, like this trajectory from here till here. So here I will have another which is known as this one. This one. This will be, I call this one I call the merge. Okay? You can name this as a merge. The merge file. Then you call merge file. So we want to connect from here. We want to connect from this source here. We want to connect from this source here. Sorry. We want to connect from the source down here. We want to connect from the source here. Sorry. To connect from the source here till we end here. Okay? This is what you want to do. Starting from the main, and you can see this is the main, right? This is the main which we have here. Or you come to your Git here and you check again Git. Say Git branch. The master. This is the master. Sorry. This is the master, and the one HCI branch. This one is feature. This one new, right? Is a new, and then we need to connect them. Right? We need to connect them. So to connect the branches, you know what you do? You say git switch master, right? And then I say git merge HCI branch. Okay? Git merge HCI branch. You press enter. Already up to date. It's already up to date, so nothing to matter, right? Say git there. Okay, nothing to commit, right? So means, merging means what? You want to connect two branches, right? Let me get one more branch here. Let's get one more branch here. Git branch, new branch. Let me try to put something here. Let's say touch file new, right? Git add file new. Git commit file hyphen message new file should be added. Okay, we changed. Now let me check here. Git branch. When a master, you have a new. The master have a new. I'm going to connect these two branches. Means copy from the merge. For the main branch, master branch to the new branch. Let's say git. Sorry. git branch, git merge. What do we merge? New branch. Already up to date. Why say already up to date? Okay, let me switch here. Git. Let me switch here. Git switch new branch. Now git merge. What to merge here? Git merge master. All right. So this is one. So we connected from the, it shows that we have one file change. We added. Okay. We were in a new branch, it was empty. Now when we merge it, we create one file, which is added there, which is a new file here to the new branch. We merge them. Okay, it's merged. So this trajectory, we merge the changes which we created here, and the new one is going to be like the merge. Just connect the things which we had here in this part. The content we had in this part here, the created part here. So we created, we add them here. Okay, we merge them. All right, so if you do ls, it shows you that you're there, and so on. What else? What else to show it here? What other point which I'm supposed to mention? Okay, I think. Oh yes, yeah, something to mention here. How to see the comment you made? How do you see the comment which you created? Okay. This is the one. How to check the comments added to your committed files. Okay. How do you do that? You say git log. Just this shows you all the file which you modified. This is just to give you the log. Okay. So it gives you all the comment which you added. Git log. It shows you what you did. This is the author. This is the author. This one too. Okay, this is the author. This is the comment added. It's committed to the branch HCI. This is again the author, the file to be added, and so on. It's committed. Or you can do the following. You can do git log -hyphen pretty equal to on line, means it gives you in the form of line. Okay, it will give you the comments or the added comment in the form of line. What is that? Which one says that? Invalid. Sorry, not online. One line. One line. So to give you the lines, just give you what you have added. In the master, new file to be added. In the HCI file, and the new file are added. In the last one, file is committed. Okay? To see or to check the comment. All right, I think this will be enough for today. Any question, any doubt? Okay. If there's no question or doubt, then I Just want to mention something. Practice make perfect, right?
Yes.
Practice make perfect. If you don't practice, you will not be perfect. You keep forgetting them. Just keep enjoying them. Keep creating some files, some project, either front end, your final project. Put them on the hub. Just post them there. Nobody can delete them. You can even send to your friend anywhere they can access. You can keep track, see what changes been made. Please use them. Bonus point. Bonus point. This bonus point is all about. All right. Now, how to check your configuration. Remember, when we started, we did like this one. Git config hyphen global username, and then you put your name here, right? You remember this one?
Yes.
We configured. So the same email which you're using, a certain extent, it has to be same with the one which you have in the Git. For example, I want to check my configuration. Okay? I want to check my configuration. I do git config. This is gonna be list. So this look my username. Can you find my username? This is the the username. This is the one. The user email. You are mentioning the user email. This is my user email. The username is this. Right? And this is the recent one which I have created. Now the question is how to change. How can you change? You remember my Git one is what? Now look my Git email. My Git email, where are you, my Git? My Git email, I think, does not show the email account. Okay. Does not show the email. Where's my email? Why are you not showing my email? Okay, it's not showing my email. I just want to check, let's say. Okay, it's not showing my email. Anyway, two repositories are there. And my email, which I've used, is gakwaya@apiu.edu, right? So that's my email. So it's different from here.
Sir,
yes,
how do
please.
you show the configuration?
Pardon me?
How do you show the configuration?
Now to quit, now I'm there. To quit, you put column W, you put Q, that Q, so you quit there. And again, you check the configuration. Git config hyphen, what is this? List. Okay. Now I'm going to change my email here and my username. Only email. Let me change the email. To change the email, I'm going to click here. To change the email, I will do git config hyphen global user dot email space acquire at ap.edu. So when you make it the email, you don't need to put into double quotes. For the email, you can either put double quotes or you don't need to put it. Okay? Okay, so now again check git config list. So you see now the email is changed, right? The email is updated. Okay. So these are the things which you need to do. So you can change the username. Let me make the same username as whom I have there. What's my username? Okay, Gakwaya Joe. So let me change to Gakwaya Joe. Okay. I say git config global user the name. I put my name. Okay. Git config this. So I changed my username here just to put the same with the one which I have from the remote system. All right. All right. That's for today. If you have any question or doubt, you can ask. If there's no question, then I just want to remind you once again. Please practice to make you perfect, and then you'll be able to understand. This is important just to highlight. You need to understand this. This is important from the main, and then you get the newly created branches are known as a features. The features, and then you need to merge them. Okay, you need to merge them. All right. Once again, watch the video which I posted. It's a very good one. And then the next video which I post will be just to pull from the GitHub to the local system.